Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Synthetix, also known as SNX.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Synthetix. As you guys may know, this is not financial advice, so always do your own research. And hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
Before we get into this video, if you don't know what Synthetix is or what it does, let me just give you a brief rundown. It's known as the Derivatives Liquidity Protocol, and what it does is it enables the creation of synthetic assets, offering unique derivatives and exposure to the real world asset on the blockchain. So you can mint new crypto asset that mint both real world assets like the US dollar, for example, and crypto assets like Bitcoin, for example, and they also have a great staking percentage that you'll be getting. So it's a really interesting project, and yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, the market cap is just under $1 billion. Its all-time high was $28, but this was about a year ago, and we haven't seen that since, and we're down 85% to its all-time high. And this was because of they just announced the idea, and with the idea it pumped from the idea, just like many coins out there. The coin pumps on when they announce the idea of what it is. Everyone buys into it, FOMO's in, and then they realize there's development, things like that. I'm not saying that's the case for this here, but usually it's development, things like that. It will then pump the price up, and then people realize there's development or anything like that, and it dumps from there as people realize they've got to wait a while for the coin to actually come into action, which then gives everyone the opportunity at these low prices to be buying in. Is it opportunity? We'll find out in the technical analysis. But as you see here on the actual platform, there's staking where you can mint and burn your synthetic assets. You can earn, you can debt, and there's loans. And everything like that, and you've got the layer 2 as well, which has the escrow, synthetics, and your history, and then you can delegate more assets and merge as well. So if we get into the technical analysis,
All right, from what we can see on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see here, we are having a nice rejection, and I'm hoping that this can actually continue. And if it doesn't continue, that might be a problem for this cryptocurrency, since we may actually be heading to all-time lows. And if that does really happen, then a lot of people would be scared and a lot of people would be interested in selling, and we are getting pretty close to that, as you guys can see right here. This double bottom is a bullish indicator, which is something that a lot of people will be looking at. However, I don't think that they've been working much recently, so therefore we just need to wait and see what actually does happen next, and hopefully this can actually continue to be pushed higher. But from this week bullish candle, it's not something that is looking quite promising. So if we go to the daily time frame, from what we can actually see, we did have that bullish candle, and hopefully this can actually sustain. If we could continue to move higher, and if we don't make a lower low, that might be an opportunity for the price to continue to move higher, and we are hoping so, because we are starting to see bullish prices on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Therefore it may cause the price of SNX to pump today. And recently we've been seeing Bitcoin have that massive pump, and this is like probably one of the main reasons why. And also the news of the mainnet and stuff like that, that's probably another reason why. And from what we can see as well, if you do check out Bitcoin, we have had that pump, however had a massive rejection, and this is one of the reasons why it may not be sustainably continuing to be going higher. We may see us in a massive consolidation before we do start to go higher on the cryptocurrency SNX. So yeah, that's what we're hoping for on the 4-hour. 1-hour time frame, we are seeing nice bullish and nice sustainable rallies, but we are seeing rejections, which we don't really want to be seeing unless we had that extrapolated move, and we haven't really had a big move just yet. So that's what we are waiting for as of right now.
So that is now the end of the video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then we really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.